Hi, I'm Jerry James Stone. In today's video, we're gonna make a tasty and delicious rosemary cinnamon simple syrup. Let's get cooking. Okay, so the thing that's great about this simple syrup, it's wonderful for a lot of different things. You can use the simple syrup to flavor margaritas, you can use it to flavor your tea, you can use it for a homemade soda. I really love simple syrups, flavored simple syrups made at home for this reason. So let's get to making this one. Okay, so to start out, we're gonna add our flavorings to our small pan. So we wanna add some fresh rosemary, and then add in the cinnamon sticks. Go ahead and add in the sugar, and now add in the water. And now we're gonna bring that up to temperature using a medium heat just to dissolve the sugar, heat the water, and so we can steep these ingredients in the syrup. Okay, so just go ahead and stir this occasionally until all of the sugar has completely dissolved. And then once it starts to come to a low simmer, we're gonna cover the pan and then remove it from the heat. Let the ingredients with the syrup steep for about 3 minutes. If you want it to be really, really potent, maybe give it about 10 minutes at max. But as you kind of make the recipe, you'll sort of figure out what's the right time for you. Now that the ingredients have steeped in the syrup, let's go ahead and strain those out, reserving the liquid, because that's the part that you want to keep. Take that liquid and put it into a container, let it cool, and then put it in the fridge, sealed up. Stored properly in an airtight container, the syrup will actually last for 2 weeks. So like I said, you can use this for teas or cocktails or whatever. Super tasty. Let me know what you think. Drop a comment below. Hopefully you like this recipe. If you did, give me a thumbs up. And if there's something that you want to see, hey, I'm here for you. If you like to cook like I do, please subscribe. I release new videos every single week. See you guys next time.